Hey y'all. So I cooked some fried shrimp, some fries, got some torta, the ketchup on the fries, and I got this banana pepper. It is full of juice. Okay. So this, yesterday when we had that pepper, it wasn't hitting on nothing. The juice had them ran out on our spicy glazed chicken sandwich that we made. I was gonna do the shrimp that way as well. Cause when I make the sauce, I make a bunch of it at one time, so I don't gotta keep making it. Fries is tea. So here go the pepper. Y'all see all that juice that just, baby. Mm-hmm. And I got more shrimp, but I only got this little amount. Cause I be getting full fast. And don't worry about my bonnet. When I got off work today, I went and sat on the couch and I was supposed to be sitting down for a few minutes, but I fell asleep. It's now 7:43 p.m. And I like to eat before 8 p.m. So, and when I butterfly my shrimp, and I like to leave the tails on. Mm-hmm. The food be so hot. And instead of water today, because I'm not eating that spicy sauce, homemade strawberry lemonade. Woo! That's some good stuff. I'm going to dip this in the torta because I know ketchup on it. I see the seeds. What y'all having for dinner? I was so tired when I got up this morning. I ain't put my concerts on. Y'all see, I ain't got no earrings on. No necklace, bracelet, rings, nothing. About 3:50, I started getting real sleepy at work. I was like, yikes. This some good eating. Yeah, I got the right amount. Because I'm getting full. And I ain't ate since earlier. I forgot what time it was the last time I ate earlier. At lunch. So, around between 12:30 and 1. This food so good. Like I said, it's some more now. But I don't make my place big because I know I ain't gonna be able to eat that much. I'm gonna cook Sunday. All I know is I wanted some greens, sweet potatoes, and mac and cheese. But I ain't gonna have the sweet potatoes any longer because they're talking about let's have chuck roast. So if I do the roast, I gotta have potatoes and carrots in there. So I'm gonna put the chuck roast potatoes, carrots, cornbread, mac and cheese, and the greens. I'm gonna get the greens, and then in my greens I put a whole smoked turkey leg in there. Give me some hot sauce on the greens, then mac and cheese, and then I make honey cornbread. Cornbread be so fat. We got one shrimp, one fry left, and this little pepper. I'm just gonna hit the spot because I'm full. And I don't know why I get full so fast. Somebody was all like, you shrunk your stomach. And I was all like, no. Just, I don't know why I be getting full like that. Like, and that's why my plates always be little. Because people be like, your plate little, girl, I'm going to be full. My stomach can't handle all what your stomach can handle. And then once I drink the rest of this is gonna take me over the top. And this bonnet just sitting on my head. Any old kind of way. Honey. Okay. Last bite. We all done. I ain't bringing no paper towels in here. Too eager to eat. Came and sat down. No paper towel. Gotta wash this. Got crumbs on it. Y'all let me know what y'all gonna eat. What's tomorrow? Saturday. I'm not gonna cook tomorrow.